In this video, I'm going to show you how you can deposit money to your PayPal account using M-Pesa in Kenya. Hi, my name is David from freelancerinsights.com, where we believe you should never stop learning. For you to be able to top up your PayPal account using M-Pesa, you need to have done two things. Number one, you need to have a PayPal account, and number two, you need to have linked your PayPal account to your M-Pesa account. So to start us off, I'll log into my PayPal account. And the reason why I logged into my account is to show you the amount of balance I have at the time of this recording and the amount that I will have once I've done the transaction. So the next thing that I need to do is I'll need to navigate to the PayPal mobile money service transfer website, where I'll need to log in. Once I click on get started, I'll be prompted to log in. By default, since I'm already logged in to my PayPal account, it will tell me to log in and give me my name and my email, and I'll click login. And once I click on login, since I'm logged in, I'll be automatically logged into the PayPal mobile money service with M-Pesa. So what we want to do here is top up to PayPal. So basically, you need to calculate how much money you need to send before you do the transaction. This is very, very important, and please don't skip this step. So I'll just click on top up to PayPal. And for this, you'll have to calculate how much you need to send. So the first step is that you need to calculate the amount in shillings you need to convert to get the US dollars. Then open M-Pesa and do the Lipa Na Mpesa and the PayBill option. So what we need to do, we need to send, let's say, $10. So we can calculate this. And you'll note that you receive an SMS confirming that your USD were added to your PayPal balance. You can check the status from the transaction page. So I'll just click on calculate. And once I click on calculate, I'll get the amount in shillings that I need to send. Kindly note that there is the exchange rate at the time of this recording, and also additional customer M-Pesa customer to business pay bill charge will apply. So these charges do apply, and basically now what I need to do is to jump into my phone and do the transaction. So basically, let's kick it off. So what we need to do, we need to navigate to M-Pesa. Once we go to M-Pesa, click on Lipa Na Mpesa and enter the PayBill number that is provided, which is 8,088, and click on OK. Once I click on OK, you need to enter your phone number. I'll enter mine using the universal, that is the country code. Once I'm done with that, I'll click on OK and enter the amount that has been provided, which is 1,050 Kenya shillings, and click on OK, and then enter my PIN number for this, and then I'll see how much I'm supposed to send and all that, and click on OK. Then you'll get a prompt of how much is going to be charged to top up a particular account. I'll just click on cancel because I'm okay with that, and click on OK and click on OK. That's basically how you top up your PayPal account, and I'll get a confirmation message letting me know how much money has been sent to my account and all that. So basically, that's it from that end. Now next up, what we'll need to do is we'll need to come to the transaction history to know if our money has been credited to our PayPal. So basically, it's still pending. When you see this, it says pending. And how long it takes for the transaction to be complete really is a matter of minutes to a couple of hours, probably 4 hours before it's done. And we can still refresh our PayPal summary here to see if there's any reflection of any amount that has been credited to our PayPal account. And yes, there we have it. The amount has been credited. Transfer to mobile services, payment received. So basically, it's taken about a minute for it to be credited to a PayPal account. If you have the PayPal application installed, you'll get a notification from PayPal that you've received a particular amount from Transfer to Mobile Financial Services Limited. And this will help confirm that the money is already in your account. You'll also get a Safaricom transaction completed, and you've added X amount to your PayPal account. You've added $10 to your PayPal account, and the email address and the name, and your new USD PayPal balance will also be available. Please note that the transaction limits apply. That is the 70,000 shillings per transaction and the 140,000 shillings per day transaction. So basically, this is how you top up or deposit money into your PayPal account using M-Pesa. Here's a major reason why you may need to top up your PayPal account. I'll assume that you don't have money in your PayPal account and you need the money urgently. For example, your domain name was expiring, you need to purchase something that is on offer, maybe on a site like eBay or any other site that supports PayPal, and you don't have the amount of money in your PayPal account. You can easily use M-Pesa, top up your PayPal, and purchase whatever you required or pay a bill that you needed to pay somewhere online after depositing money into your PayPal account. So there we have it. That's how you deposit money into your PayPal account using M-Pesa. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, kindly hit the like button, subscribe if you're not yet a subscriber, and I'll see you in the next video.